Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to Junk Journal January, day 8. Today's prompt is antique. So let's grab our junk journals and let's dive in. For today's prompt, I thought this spread made of an old vintage book page and this old music sheet would be perfect as our base. So I decided to use this double spread for today's prompt, and then I did have a little look at my stash and decided in the end that I wanted to print out something from Pixabay and Pexels, which are royalty-free sites where you can find pictures to use in your creative projects on the internet. And there I found those vintage bottles and this illustration of a vintage light bulb, as well as this vintage lady illustration, and I thought they would be perfect for today's prompt to include into this art journal spread. So here I'm just cutting the different elements out to arrange onto the page, and then I just add a little quote onto the page and kind of call it a day, as I thought there's enough going on now and I didn't have anything else to add to the spread in a way. So it's just another simple one from me. But I wanted to say thanks so much for all the lovely comments and feedback on my last few videos. It totally makes my day to read through all your different feedback and ideas and all your lovely comments. They totally make my day. So thanks so much for everyone who's watching. And if you leave a comment or if you don't leave a comment, thanks so much for watching. I hope you are still having fun with the Junk Journal January challenge. Are you taking part in the challenge, or are you just participating by seeing what everyone is creating here? I would absolutely love to hear from you. And do you have any other junk journal or art journal or any other art challenges in mind for 2025 that you would like me to participate in? Let me know in the comments down below as well. I'm kind of starting to plan out more into the year. Beforehand I was only planning into January and this Junk Journal January challenge, but now I'm starting to plan a bit more ahead and see what other creative options are out there. So if you have any ideas or recommendations or challenges you would like me to tackle throughout 2025, also let me know in the comments down below so that I can look into it. And here I decided to add some golden accents onto the spread and to make the light bulb is kind of illuminated. Now that I'm editing the footage, I'm thinking maybe I should have taken a highlighter for it, but I've thought it would maybe break the vintage kind of vibes, as I always feel like a highlighter reminds me more of modern days in a way. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little journaling session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you tomorrow. Until then, happy junk journaling.